Hey guys, Dave the Watchman here coming at you. Dave the Watchman with my buddy Schroed coming at you here. Say hi, Schrodey. It's your birthday today. Say hi. It's Schrodey's birthday today. He is 1 year old. He is my buddy. He helps me with my videos. Kind of interrupts them more than he helps them. But anyhow, guys, I got another watch in from Amazon. Like I said, I'm always getting watches in, and here is another watch. So I'm going to get into this watch and show you what's in the package, and I have no idea what's in there. No idea what's in there. I have so many watches showing up, I have no idea what I'm even getting anymore. Okay, so before we get started, I just want to say thank you to all my current subscribers. I love you guys. You're great. And if you do find any value in this content, I would appreciate a like and subscribe. It really does help my channel grow. And like I said, I completely and totally appreciate all of the love and support that I get from you guys. Like I said, I'm starting this channel. I started it from the ground up. I'm about 6 weeks in right now. And I'm up to about 50 subscribers. I think I'm actually at 49. So if anybody out there wants to be my 50th subscriber, click that thumbs up right now and you'll be my 50th subscriber. I do appreciate it, like I said. So anyhow, without further ado, I'm going to get into this. I am Dave the Watchman, and I review budget-friendly watches for the everyman. I don't believe you should have to spend a fortune to look like you have a fortune. So let's see what's in the box. Oh, this is a good one. CASIO, the Gaultier brand. This is a CASIO. The box looks a little bit roughed up. So honestly, guys, I'm not sure what I'm going to get here. Because this is a watch that I thought looked pretty cool. It's a little bit different than what I typically review, but I got this in the Amazon warehouse. So honestly, I don't know what's in the package. I don't know if it's good, bad, ugly. I don't really know. All I know is I paid less for this than I would have paid for it new. Now, I'm going to open it and find out if I made a mistake. If I should have just paid full price and bought it outside of the warehouse, or if I get a good deal. You never know. Sometimes you can get a good deal in that Amazon warehouse. All right, so without further ado, let's get into this and take a look at it. Already the package looks pretty roughed up. It looks like a kid opened it up on Christmas and kind of tore it all up. So I'm not too impressed with the packaging, and I'm not really sure what it's going to look like when I get into it. So here we go. Let's see what we got. You guys are seeing it for the first time, just like I am. Alright, looks like there's no paperwork that came with it or anything. Nope, no paperwork. So I guess learning how to use it, I'm on my own. There's nothing that's coming with it. Oh, no, wait, sorry guys, I'm wrong. It does have the paperwork. So if I need to know anything about it, it's all right here. Alright, let's see what we got for a watch. Alright, it's really awesome. No hands. No hands. Guys. Oh my god, you can't make this up. You can't make this up. I literally just received a watch from the Amazon warehouse that has no hands. Wow. That's a first. Honestly, that is a first. That's a first. So, needless to say, I will be contacting Amazon and I will be returning this because what good is a watch that doesn't have any hands? So in this case, I was better off buying the new one as opposed to buying the Amazon warehouse deal, because this is what you get sometimes in the Amazon warehouse. Now, thankfully, I bought this on Amazon because they have an excellent return policy. Some of the watches that I buy from Shein or AliExpress, and most of those watches are not returnable. So, honestly, guys, I was looking forward to this watch too. I really thought it looked great. But now that I'm looking at it, it's not. It's not a great watch. It's a lot less than what I would have expected from CASIO. So I will be contacting Amazon and I will be returning this watch. I will post a link to this actual watch in the description below so you guys can actually check it out. And the new one, you can check it out. Or if you guys like a watch with no hands, I'm going to be returning this one. It just might pop up in the Amazon warehouse and you can have this one. Anyhow, I'm going to post a link to the new version of this watch. If you like this design, I'm not going to go through a full review on this, obviously, because it doesn't have any hands. I am a little bit disappointed. But this was supposed to be like new in the Amazon warehouse, and it is like new. It's like new in the factory before they put the hands on it. So anyhow, I'll be packaging this thing back up right now, and I will be going on Amazon as soon as I turn off the camera, and I will be returning this watch back to Amazon because there's absolutely no reason for me to even continue with a watch review video on a watch that doesn't have any hands. They usually say, the saying goes, even a broken watch is right twice a day. Well, not this one, okay? Not this one. This one is not correct at any time of the day or night. It is just not, it's not a good watch. So it's going back in the package and it'll be returned to Amazon. So anyhow, I'm sorry this video turned out to be a bust for you guys. I will post it. I will post the link in the description below. And I will be receiving more watches to review. So if you guys do like this content and you want it to keep on coming, please make sure you do that thumbs up, like, and subscribe. And I will be posting more videos coming up soon. And leave comments below. I reply to comments. And like I said, love you guys, and the next subscriber is going to be number 50 for me, so I totally appreciate that. I'm up to almost 50 subscribers in 6 weeks, and I'm going to keep this channel going strong. Started it from the ground up, and I'm just going to keep it going. I'm just going to keep reviewing budget-friendly watches for the everyman with my buddy Shrody. He is 1 year old today. He's 1 year old, so I know he loves it when I do the videos. He loves to hang out with me, and I think he loves you guys too. So, anyhow, I will see you guys in the next watch review video. You guys have a great day until next time. I'm Dave the Watchman and Shrody, and we are out of here.